up YouTube? Another day in Matt's shop. Well, thought it was gonna be an easy job, but it's not. We're doing the ABS sensor. All the videos I watched. So all the videos I watched, the cars are obviously from rust-free states. So I think I'm entitled. I need to make a video on it. So start by getting the car off the ground, get the wheel off. It's a 10mm socket. I've already broke it loose. And yeah.
Oh, did you break it loose?
Fuck. He gone.
So it's stuck in there?
No. Oh, it did fall.
Yeah, I just put the light.
Oh.
I see it. Alright.
This is supposed to just pull out, but it doesn't. Matt says he has a trick. Matt says I'm an idiot.
You're not an idiot.
That was a pretty break.
As I keep spinning it around.
Grab with the vice grips or pliers to spin it back the other way.
Must go all the way around. Comes down. Oh, it is going around. Oh, see? Yeah.
Can you pry behind that tab?
Yep.
Ta-da! Now clip and clip. And then Matt's got a panel tool for that. Right here.
Let me get it. Perfect. Sweet. And then there should be the clip on there. Actually, what's that here? You see it?
It's up here.
Yeah, usually it should go up.
So I don't know if I'll be able to get the camera in here and use my hands, but
You see it?
the screen shut off. But here's the clip. We'll pry up on that red piece and that should come right out. And we have the new one right here. So I'm pretty sure the cause of this going bad was when we did all the front end stuff, we ended up pulling on the wire. And right here, it actually broke. So I haven't had traction control or stability control in a couple weeks now, and we got a bunch of snow out there. And it's kind of annoying to drive, so time to get it fixed. So here's our new part. Just slides right in.
Should be in the pocket.
What pocket?
I don't know.
Got it. I don't feel like using these clips, so fuck them. It's like one of those survival shows where they do everything themselves, even though there's a camera guy there recording everything.
And cha-ching.
And there you have it. Put your tire back on and enjoy having traction control again. See you on the next one.